Alright, language explorers. So, let's have a look at today's Thursday adverb. So, hardly. Hardly. Something that does not happen very much or often or rare. Yeah, happen. Here we are, happen. Happen. It hardly rains in Spain. It hardly rains in Spain. Yeah. We hardly see sunny days here in England. I hardly eat cherries. Yeah, hardly eat cherries. Yeah. They have hardly been here. They've hardly been here, not much. You have hardly arrived. How can you have finished already? You've hardly arrived. You've barely got here. Whoops. Didn't get any of these here. Well, no worries. We hardly knew them. We hardly knew them, barely knew them, not much time. We're hardly working. Oh, just about, not really. So easy. Yeah. They will hardly know what to do. They will hardly know what to do. They barely know what to do, really, at most. Whoops. Yeah. We think that it will hardly matter in the future. In the future, it'll hardly matter. It won't be important. No, it just won't be important. Yeah. Those will be hardly strange items. And so I will know what to do. Yeah, they'll be hardly strange. I'll know what to do. Yeah. Yeah. So we have hardly started recording more videos. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So something that does not happen very much or is rare. So I hardly go to France. Not very often. We hardly speak German. Very rarely. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that? So, hardly. Not really often. Now, can you write it in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. More lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.